Hi friends, this is the package I received from Amazon on ordering a plastic shoe rack. This package is supposed to contain all the panels required to assemble it on our own to make something look like this, a handsome shoe rack. This is the dimension of the product, which I should say is some sturdy plastic. This is the brand logo, Cello with Duraplast. Yes, it is a made in India product with price 2700, but I got it for 1000 bucks less. Believe me, it is not having an installation guide, but it is depicted on the side of the carton on how to assemble it. It is also having a table of contents which we can use to cross check with the contents inside the box. Let's go straight to the contents inside the box. First one is a bottom assembly. We can see everything wrapped in nice plastics. This bottom assembly is a sturdy sheet of plastic with grooves on the side on which all other panels are supposed to fix. This one is a ventilated side panel with grooves to put the iron rods. You can see it clearly here. This is a pair of side panels, and here comes a top panel with brand logo. This is more or less a duplicate of the bottom assembly. These are the door handles. The delicate parts are well wrapped. Inside the plastic cover, we can find a pair of other panels, which should be a back panel. Now you can see two back panels. Inside another packet is the door panel. There is again a pair of door panels which is supposed to fix inside the bottom assembly. Now we get a packet of iron rods which weighs more than 1 kilogram, decently painted in black color. Now let's see quickly what all we got from the package. One bottom assembly panel, one back panel, a pair of back panels, then a pair of door panels, a pair of side panels, a top assembly with brand logo. These are the two side panels and rods. To start with the assembly, you can see every panel is holding some grooves like this, which will go straightly uh, into those parts in the bottom panel with ease. You just have to align those grooves and just apply some pressure to get it in position. This way you can fix one panel after the other. Here I have fixed a back panel and a side panel too. You may use a rubber hammer to push it, but I won't recommend because it may break some plastic parts. Now I am tucking in one of the iron rods into the side grooves. Now the structure is almost complete with the side and the back. Then I am placing the top panel just to get it aligned well. In order to get it all fixed, first we have to align the grooves nicely. So take more care for it. Now to fix the front panel, that is the door panels, which is coming with a hinge on the bottom, and this hinge should go into a hole which is on one side of the bottom panel, as you can see here. This is the door handle. Door handle is coming also with a hinge which should go to the top panel. So we have to first fix the door handle into the door panel, and apply some pressure to get in position, and then you have to align it in between the top and the bottom assemblies like this. Now I have done with almost all the panels except the top one. What I am trying to do is aligning the top panel in place. Now everything aligned, what we have to do is just apply pressure by tapping it to get everything in position. You have to continue applying pressure by tapping and looking into the grooves if everything is inserted correctly. Just look around to make it sure that every part has gone inside the grooves. Just apply some pressure like this to make it look just like this, a handsome shoe rack. Yes, just perfect. You can now open and close the door using these handles too. Now I am trying to place my less often used boots, which is the largest one in my family, whether it will fit inside my new shoe rack. Let's see. Since it is less often used, I am okay to keep it inside the lowest rack. Yes, it goes in too easily. Yeah, I'm able to close it also with ease. Now I'm happy for this purchase, and you too can buy and assemble it yourself to make it a handsome shoe rack. Thank you.